What's good? We got a vlog today. Today, we're gonna be out in nature. Specifically, I'm gonna go to the Hollywood Trail. The Hollywood Trail is literally the trail to get to the famous Hollywood sign. Most people are aware of this sign. It's been in so many different TV shows, movies, etc. That's gonna be the vlog today. It's gonna be more of like sightseeing, being out in nature, and just exploring more parts of California. Hope you all enjoy this vlog. If you are new to this channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Check out some more of my other videos. I think you're gonna like them. All right, without further ado, Hollywood Trail, out in nature. Bam! All right, what's good, y'all? I have arrived to the Hollywood Trail. This trail also includes the Griffith Observatory. That's also another iconic spot out here in California. We have made it to the heart of nature. We're out here on a trail, a hike, a little bit of both, but it's more of a trail. This is actually a great place for like scenery. What's going on, man? It's a great place for like scenery. It's out here in nature. This place has some nice views, but we're on the trail now. So it's just gonna be more of sightseeing, just being outside, being out in nature. A natural remedy, being out here in nature. Let's go. All right, I was hiking on this trail and I went into the wrong trail entrance and damn near got lost. It's an amazing view and everything, but I damn near got lost, y'all. But we on the right trail now. We on the right trail. Now this is an amazing view. And there's the city. There's Los Angeles. That's Los Angeles. Let's go. Okay, so like when you're like starting at the bottom of this hiking trail, the Hollywood Trail, and then you make it like halfway, you start to realize how high you actually are. Look at this view. Look how far down that is already. And then look at the city all the way over there. You can actually see like the skyscraper buildings from here. This is what being out in the heart of nature is like. Let's continue. There's the Hollywood sign. There's so many different trails. There's so many different trails in this area, but all these views are amazing. Just being out in nature could just change the vibe instantly. Just being out in nature. The weather's nice today. The views are amazing. The sun is sunning today. The sun is booming today. Shout out to the sun. We have made it to the Griffith Observatory. This view is amazing. You can still see the Hollywood sign all the way over there. But over this way, it's literally the Griffith Observatory. So we're about to go check that out. And we have made it to another part of the trail. Matter of fact, we on a journey. We on a journey through it all. A lot of great sightseeing this way. We got the Hollywood sign. We got the Griffith Observatory. That's all right. This is another monumental building, well known around the world. It took me a little while to get up here, and I got lost at first. We have made it, and we have arrived. Go outside your comfort zone. Go outside your comfort zone and go for it. That's the beauty of the journey. That is the beauty of the journey. Oh, here it is. Literally, the Griffith Observatory. We made it. Here we go. This is all the zodiac signs. Hold on. Shout out to the Libras. Okay, y'all, so we just checked out the Griffith Observatory. At this point, I don't even know what trail I'm on now. It's so much over here. I'm not even sure if I'm on the right trail to get back to the exit, to get to where I started from. However, that's the beauty of it, bro. Out here in the heart of nature, clearing the mind, enjoying the sun, and just out here living life. Oh, damn. The sun is beaming today. Sun gazing. Sun gazing. This is that vitamin D right here. Amazing view. Amazing view. There's the Griffith Observatory back there. And that's mainly what this vlog is about. Is coming out here into the heart of nature and just enjoying the day. We're on a trail / hiking trail, and also enjoying the day off from work. Look at the city. Everything looks so small from here. Got the Nightwing shades on. These are the Nightwing shades. Yes, sir. Ooh. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now check this out. I started all the way over there, and now I am all the way over here. Went on a hiking trail today to the famous Hollywood Trail. I tried to get to the Hollywood sign, but it was just too many damn trails. But I was able to get to the Griffith Observatory. I want to end the video like this. Go beyond your comfort zone. Get out there and create content. Work on the things and do the things you love to do. Simple. Even though I work a lot, I still try to do the things I love to do. And this is one of those things, creating content and just going for it. Out here in nature, creating content, being a content creator. So I want to end the video like that. Go outside your comfort zone. If there's something new that you've been wanting to try, go for it. Like I always say, life and waves are alike. They never stop.